Sombutse, no Sambutsa. Ivar no Putsa.
Gira, you're so beautiful. My wife is so beautiful.
Naru Uireng, happy.
I'll go kiss. I'm gonna do this. I kiss my wife. That's what you do again. You do this.
You kiss my cheekbones. My cheekbones.
You do this one.
But what rebels, Mr. K? Mr. K, what rebels for real? Look behind us, guys. Look.
Where are the people? Where are the people?
Behind us, Mr. K. One.
There's no people.
Mr. K, what rebels?
Hello. Look at us, no problem. We're gonna level. Guys, come, let's go. Let's go, guys.
If you got us in trouble, you said that he must kiss me.
We're kissing.
And he kissed me in front of people. Like how? What kind of kiss?
I said this. And people are looking.
What's the problem? What's their problem?
What's the problem, fella? Serious. Let's go, guys.
They're looking because they want something.
Maybe it's 3 hours. I wanna go. We must hold ourselves. Hold the cameras. What is on top of the cruise ship? On top of the cruise ship, the party. Sail away party. Sail away party. Sail away party. Sail away party, madam.
Yes.
Sail away party.
3 more pairs.
Sail away party.
3 more.
On the cruise ship.
3 more.
Sail away party. Hey, I'm holding my hand because if I leave it, go to the sea. No, guys, we're in the sea, We're in the sea. This is the cruise ship, we're in the sea. If you check here, you won't see nothing. See, this is the cruise ship is going. We're in the sea. The cruise ship is going, guys. Right? As you can see, you can't see nothing, It's just water. Right? Let me hold my phone properly. Because otherwise, if I don't hold my phone properly, this one, I don't trust this place. Right, now I can hold it, right? So you guys can see there, right? The ship is going. You can see there. We wanna wish you wanna wish you Merry Christmas. Oh, no, no. Come on, baby, come, Khoza. I don't dare, my boy. Okay, let me just quickly go and see the other side. Let me see the other side. The other side. The ship. You can see clearly here. Here is the stage. Right, and now just the next thing. Even here in the swimming pool. Arriba, Where are you, boys? Arriba! Arriba! Where are you, love? How are you, sharp, son? Hey, sharp, Mr. I saw!
You would be the best dancing that.
Okay, we'll see you next time on our next video. For now, we say thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.